Teams has the ability to use search to search for files, people, pretty much anything. It's actually a very powerful tool. So up to the search bar, sometimes called the command bar, and you can type what you want to look for. So I know that I have a document on here called resource, but let's just start typing and see what happens. So I'm going to type resource, and then it says press enter to view all results, and I will. And what this does is you'll notice it comes up in messages, comes up in people, and it comes up in files. So in my case, because there's not a lot on this system, I'm going to go to messages and look here, and sure enough, there's that document. And if I click here, it will actually take me to that spot in the conversation where that word, in this case, the name of my document, shows up. Even if that chat was way back in the past, it will go find it. Another tip that's really handy is if you come across and you've read something that someone's posted, you can click on it and you'll notice that you get a little pop-up. So you have like a thumbs up, like a like command, and the heart command and a little smiley face and stuff. But this can also save you from sending an email. So you could use the thumbs up to show that you've read something. The other thing that I find really valuable is the ability to go to somebody's message and go save this message. Now, it doesn't look like it does anything, but what this does is it saves it, and I'll show you in a second where we're going to get it, and then you can quickly go back. So as these threads might get really long, and some of the documents you might want to go back to often, you can use that save function. Now I've switched chats just to show the demonstration. So to go and find what you've saved, regardless of where it is, you can go up to your picture icon and click on it, and you have this option here for saved. And what this does is it goes and pulls all the spots that have something saved. So you can see that flag. If there's multiple ones, they would all be populated down here. And here's the one, it was colored, that I saved. Another way to find your saved documents or one lines is to use the /. When we type the / up in the command bar, there are many, many commands in here. But some of the obvious ones to use are the saved. So if I type saved and hit enter, this will see my saved list. So it gets me the same place, it just is much quicker than going through the profile icon. Other / commands you might find handy are the ones to do with your status. So just like Skype, your green button will show that you're available. A yellow button means that somebody stepped away, and there's the red buttons will be busy, and then we have a do not disturb. So do not disturb means they can't get through to you unless they're on your priority list, which we'll talk about later. So I'm just going to quickly change my status to do not disturb. So type the / and then type in DND and hit my enter key. So you'll notice it says my status is now being set to do not disturb.